Hello guys, here I am back at my home house. Even though I knew the, the inside is going to be dismantled, I'm still quite shocking to see how empty this house has become when all the rooms, the flooring, the ceiling has been taken down, and it's a little bit hard to imagine how the renovation will go, but I guess it's a good chance to see the original material, the structures, in what conditions they are. There are parts that I didn't want to take out, but because the condition is fairly poor and it's probably better to take out, so those parts are removed. But a lot of the parts, for example, the Yamato ceiling in between the first and second floor, they're all kept, as well as the deck, the stage from the second floor. They're going to be reused, and then obviously the beams at the very top, at the ceiling, they're going to be kept as well. So at least parts of the house, they're going to be reused and continue to be part of the history here. I'm kind of worried that a lot of you watching would be surprised or even shocked at how can I tear this house down so much that it's only left with like bones and no soul. But I think the fundamental of the house is still here. So I hope people who are watching, don't worry too much. It's going to come out great, I hope. And in the end, it's the house, it's the home for me and my family. So how comfortable this house becomes in the end is the most important thing. How original it is compared to before. I would like to keep it as original as possible, but you know, considering the budget, considering the current condition of the house, I can only do my best and leave the rest of the work to people who are actually working on site to fix the house. Okay, so why not go check out the house? So where I was standing here, this at the back, is where the kitchen, the white kitchen tile is. I really would love to keep it, but in needing a modern kitchen, I have to get rid of this one and install a new one on the corner over there. And then here is the living room. That's where the garden is, and this guy is still around, and all the bamboo sticks, they have been removed. And then that's also where the bathroom, the bathing tub used to be. They're all gone. And at the back, second floor, this part, the very unique stage, it's still here. It's going to be twitched a little bit to fit the house after renovation, but I'll try to keep as much as possible for this part. Okay. And here, it's the front part that used to be tatami rooms. The Yamato ceiling, they're intact. They are the flooring of the second floor, but at the same time, they're also the ceiling of the first floor. And you can see these, I don't know how you call them, not electrical wiring. They're still here, probably going to be removed just because, well, there's no need for them after everything is installed, the new wiring, the new gas pipes, and the water pipes. So this is going to be the entrance, which is going to be earthen floor with concrete. And over here is going to be the bathroom of the first floor. And here is going to be the tatami room, renewed using some parts of the second floor. And here, I think this was actually a yori, like a stove, old stove. A huge chunk of concrete that's just buried in the ground here. So I don't know if it has to be removed or there's nothing we can do about it. I don't know. If it doesn't affect the rest of the renovation, I don't mind just keeping it there. And lots of stone. I don't know where they came from because they were not here when I saw the house. So maybe they're just like under the flooring. Okay. At the back here is where the stairway used to be. It goes up to the second floor. It's been removed, so I can't really show you any footage from the second floor. But looking from the first floor, I can tell that the flooring, not the flooring, the ceiling is in pretty bad shape. But the beam, the wooden beam seems really legit, huge, looks stable and strong. So I hope that can be kept for as long as possible. So there it is, an update from my new machiya house. Exhausted, very hot, sweating, 33, 34 degrees Celsius. I can't wait for the actual renovation to start, but seems like a lot of work even after it starts. But don't forget to come back from time to time and follow how the renovation is going. Follow the progress. I hope to at least have an update at least every month or so to keep you updated on how everything's going. So before that, please take care and enjoy the rest of the other videos I'm making, and see you next time.